Hey guys, you can fix your windshield wipers that are broken for less than $2. We will explain how with high quality materials. Stay with us and we'll cover everything step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a German vehicle such as BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen. If you have one of those, okay, often you have that kind of windshield wipers, okay, they're a little bit different than the other ones. But those are super expensive guys, right? Okay, you can see this one failed, but the funny thing, you can fix your wipers and have them like brand new for less than $2. Stay with us, we'll explain how. We'll cover everything step by step in this video today. So before we guys continue, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to take it completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos and show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines to interior bodywork, fuses, relays, also engine codes, transmission codes, all that stuff. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hopefully they will be helpful. Please subscribe. So guys, what you need to do, okay, you can see you have that kind of wipers, right? They're the flexible ones, they're not hard metal ones. You can just replace the blade, the wiper blade. Okay, now I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, but you will spend less than $2 per wiper to fix them, and those are super high quality, okay, blades. They're amazing. I mean, we've used them in the past and they're amazing. So if you get a little bitty tool, what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead, pry here on each side. Sometimes it might be a little bit stuck guys, but you need to pry or wiggle, and you have plastic teeth that attach here that prevent it from stopping, but once you guys pry, okay, they come out. You kind of like need to pry them a little bit sideways. Now it's important not to take the whole blade apart, the whole wiper. You just grab these pieces, keep them here, okay, and we're going to slide it out. Check this thing out, just like this one, right? Now the metal pieces will start coming loose. Try not to take anything apart. We will have a person hold it now, and I'm going to measure it here, see exactly how much we need to cut it. Okay, right there. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead, start it in the canal now guys, in the bottom canal. You need to space those things here, and I'll start spacing it, slide it. Okay, I almost took it apart here, slide it, slide it, slide it. It came to the end. What do you guys need to do next? Okay, go ahead, align here everything. Okay, it will take a little bit of time, okay, and everything clicked in place. This is a brand new wiper now. You just guys fixed that wiper and you saved yourself a ton of money instead of replacing them with super expensive wipers that you don't need. If you have a German vehicle guys, do not overpay for wipers, because there is no need to buy the whole thing. You just waste your money. All you need to buy is the refills, and the refills, okay, will last you a long time. You can get a super good quality refills at a really affordable price. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, and that way you can reuse your wipers practically almost forever guys. Amazing deal that can save you quite a bit of money. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.